Hello everybody, welcome to Sure Shot Archery. Anthony here, and in this video I want to give you a schedule update of what Sure Shot Archery is doing because we have the Vegas shoot coming up. And I'm going to throw in some other little things there as well. So, the schedule. On the website, I have it laid out when you go to the shop section of my website, sureshotarchery.com. So any orders placed between February 17th to February 26th are going to ship out February 27th. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff, getting ready for the Vegas shoot. So we're just going to wait on holding out and filling all the orders. So you can order things, and your name will be in the queue. And then they'll get filled and shipped out on the 27th. After that, though, Vegas happens. So, again, orders placed between March 2nd and March 10th will not ship out until March 11th when I return home from the Vegas shoot. And then after that, it should be all right until we get to April, which is not that long. But in April, there'll be a new update to what'll be closed and when things ship out because I have Arizona Cup and Gator Cup in April. It's going to make May a quiet month, but just wanted to fill you guys in. I'll have a post up on Instagram as well, trying to let everybody know. But, if you are attending the Vegas shoot, I will be there. I will have a bunch of stuff. If you want to make sure the products you want to buy are available to you, please send me an email, especially before I leave. You can technically send me an email at the event too, but it works better if you send it to me before I head to the Vegas shoot on March 2nd, because I can go set aside product for you with your name on it. You don't have to pay me until we meet in person, but you can have your stuff set aside. You can save on shipping, and you can just guarantee that you're going to have the products you want. I get some really big orders in, and individual people will wipe out a lot of my inventory, and I'm expecting kind of the same thing at the Vegas shoot. There's a lot of international archers that come with their teams, and they'll clear me out of many dozens worth of points, or many, a dozen, two dozen worth of weights, and then all of a sudden I don't have anything because they're trying to save the $40 in shipping and any other kind of fees that they may run into. So if you want to kind of beat all those people and be guaranteed the color points you want, like the limited edition blue 120 grain points for the X10 arrows, then make sure you send me an email, and that way you can be on the list. And that should work out better for you. Other updates. I think my video worked. My video about the Vegas shoot. I didn't get any response from the NFAA or anything, but I think I jinxed the event kind of in a good way. It actually has 3,500 and I think it was 19 archers. So still 1,000 less than the previous year, but we're getting somewhere now. I was I was getting real worried when we were only at 2,000, 2,500. I'm like, I should make a video about this. Maybe I'm hoping or it kind of did work out that I jinxed it into a lot more people all of a sudden signing up, which is probably due to the fact that I think there's a late fee involved now, or something like that. I don't know all the details. Anyway, get more people to sign up for the Vegas shoot. We're still 1,000 shy or so from 2024. So let's try to beat the record for 2025 at the new venue. And last but not least, on the Vegas shoot, my booth location. There's still technically not an official map, so trying not to get myself into too much trouble. My booth will be located basically across from Lancaster's trailer. So if you're going to the Lancaster trailer, you basically just turn around, and my booth should be one of the corner booths. I think Shibuya might be behind me. So then this corner, you can't see it too well in this, but there'll be Lancaster booth, and I'll be over here, and Shibuya will be that way. unless something major changes, it's not a terrible spot. Lancaster's going to be a great place to tell people to, hey, you know, if you find Lancaster, you can find me. I was trying to find Shrewd this year, but they're not in a great location for me to be next to them. Again, unless they change a bunch of things. But, yeah, keep an eye out on the Sure Shot Archery Instagram, at Sure Shot Archery. I might post stuff on my personal Instagram, too, Anthony Archery 720, on updates regarding the Vegas shoot. But I'll definitely have updates on schedules and everything else on the Sure Shot Archery Instagram if you don't see videos here, because it's easier to just type things out on the phone, post them, than it is to make a video like this and then, you know, edit it, render it, upload it, post it. A few more steps, even though this format's kind of more personal in a way. All right, other than that, I think we're pretty good to go here. I just got a lot of packing and organizing and just trying to get all the ducks in a row, because everything kind of stalls here while I move a ton of stuff to, you know, Vegas and everything else, and just trying to get a whole booth set up with all the displays and everything else. It's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to meet every single one of you, so definitely stop by. We can talk. You can check out all the different products I have. And yeah, love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, happy shooting.